Before I came to Arkana, I have already done a lot of inner work, but still somewhat new to plant medicine. And I knew that there was something deep down where I felt like there's a box around anger, around not feeling worthy enough. Like I knew there was something down there that I didn't know how to access to figure out what and why that was there. And so I came here with this intention of figuring out through plant medicine, through the facilitators, what was in this box that I couldn't find by myself. And so being here at Arkana and going through the plant medicine, I found what was in that box. I was able to see in a way that I don't think I could have done without plant medicine and the facilitators, where I was still holding resentment towards my father, towards other male figures. And it was so beautiful to have this heaviness finally be seen and finally given love and life to, so that way I can move forward. I can understand that it's okay to forgive. It's okay for that little version of me to be scared. And so, yeah, like I feel like night and day from day one being here, a little confused, a little lost, heavy. And now I can definitely say towards the end of the week, I'm feeling light and just so grateful that I had this support to be able to get to the depths of my soul that I couldn't do by myself.
I'm Johnny, and I'm 34 years old, so I'm former special operations in the U.S. military. And honestly, I was really scared to be here because I didn't know what would come up from my past, and I didn't know how my body was going to react. I've never done any type of plant medicine or any type of hallucinogenic, and so I didn't realize really what I was getting into. And I came with an intention to heal whatever was in me, possibly from the war or possibly from, things that just were in my subconscious. And what I really learned here at Arkana was that, one, the plant medicine really helps you to connect with yourself, and it allows you, it gives you the opportunity to see what it wants you to see, because we have our desires. And I realized that I had like this really cognitive desire, but what the plant medicine wants you to see is what you truly need. And so that was really good, because my experience here became a very physical healing for my body. And the space that was held by the facilitators, by the maestros, it was absolutely beautiful. The ceremony helped us to stay grounded and to connect with the plant medicine to really allow it to heal whatever it is in us that we needed to heal. So from somebody who really didn't have a concept of what he was getting into and honestly was very fearful of what could come up, the beautiful thing was I got exactly what I needed, and that was a lot of physical healing and emotional healing from things that I didn't even know were in me. So Arkana just allowing us to have that space and allowing me to experience that in the way that the facilitators constantly look to support you is absolutely beautiful. And the ceremonial approach from the Shipibos was absolutely just, there's almost no words for it, because you just feel so protected, but so available to really dive into what's going on in you and what you need. So it was a beautiful experience, and I couldn't say more good things about it for anybody, from military people to people who are just skeptical, to people who really want to dive into plant medicine. Like, do it right and do it with the people who really appreciate the plant and appreciate the ceremony around it, and have the traditions with that plant to really allow you to feel the medicine work within you.
Mm-hmm. And I also want to share, I've always been really intentional with where I do plant medicine and making sure that it feels safe and aligns with me. And so if you are someone who has been doing their research, finding that place that is intentional and aligned, this is the place. And you could do all the research, but it comes down to, wait, does this feel aligned in my soul? And I know for here, before coming, reading reviews and checking out photos, it is exactly what you are reading about and exactly what you are seeing. And it's, if you are an intentional person who wants to make sure you put yourself in the right container, this is definitely the right container for sure. And it's just, it's safe, it's grounding, and like just the atmosphere alone is so beautiful and potent. So if you are on the fence, if you are scared to do plant medicine, maybe you've never done plant medicine before, Arkana is a great place to come and try it out and give yourself the opportunity. And it's okay to be scared. It's okay to have a little bit of, disbelief or nerves. That's just a sign that you're ready to go deeper, and this is the place to really allow you to feel safe and held as you explore this. And if you've done plant medicine and you're looking for a new place to go deeper, this is also the place for you. So if you're nervous, if you're doing all the research and you're watching this is definitely could be a sign that it's okay to say yes to yourself and come to this beautiful place.